Here's my spider devouring a mouse. It's two fangs. As you can see, injecting venom, liquefying the insides of the mouse so he can then drink it down. Two things in the front are the fangs, as you see him when he was clawing the rest of the legs. I had to kind of navigate the mouse inside of his cave so he can get him, and then at that point I took the cave off the top and commenced to watch the feast go down. Now he's taking him, I assume, somewhere, I guess, in a better position or something like that. This is a Goliath bird-eating tarantula. They're pretty cool. I just received them. He comes in the mail. I got mine from my buddy at Reptile City. Promotion, wink, wink. And he's a beauty, man. Really, it's a girl. She's a beauty. Lives 25 years. Tend to keep it that long too. Just a little enclosure I made for you. See, I got a night light on now. Rock over there. Rock sitting beside the water. Nest. I got a cave that I'm about to throw on top right about now. And that's my tarantula, Layla Ali.